Hi everyone, today we'll be making this lovely face toner for a flawless skin. Make sure to watch the video till end to get the full recipe. Measure out rose water into a clean and sterilized mixing bowl. Rose water can provide the skin with lots of benefits. It can help to reduce skin inflammation, clear wrinkles and reduce signs of aging. It can help to hydrate the skin, reduce excess oil and maintain the pH balance of the skin. The next ingredient to add is niacinamide powder. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3. It is a good and effective skincare active that can help to lock in moisture and prevent the skin from environmental damage. It helps to firm the skin, treat eczema, acne, and dark spots. It can also help to regulate oil production, protect the skin from sun damage, and treat hyperpigmentation. It generally helps the skin to be flawless. Make sure to stir in the niacinamide very well for 15 minutes to completely dissolve before adding in the remaining ingredients. Next ingredient is the mixture of vegetable glycerin and liquid Jama Plus. Liquid Jama Plus serves as a preservative in this product, while the vegetable glycerin is the humectant that helps to draw moisture into the skin from the atmosphere and prevent the skin from drying out. Once that is added in, stir very well to combine. Go ahead and check the pH of this toner to make sure it falls at 6, which is the right pH for this face toner. Store the face toner in a clean and sterilized bottle and the face toner is ready for use. This face toner can be used by any skin type. Apply on a cotton wool and dab onto the facial skin after washing the face. And that's all for today. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. See you in my next video. Bye.